Hey everybody, Jillian here. Today I'm going to share a process for you in the 100 Days of Less Hustle, More Jesus devotional journal from Shanna Noel. This is going to be a quick video because I really just want to show you how fun these daily projects can be, and the way that I found success in completing them is by keeping it really simple. So this is a rather simple entry. So I'm just showing you here in the setup of the book. We've got a devotional, 4 verses, and then a prayer in the book. Off to the side of my desk, I have these 2 bins on a cart. One is full of tools and the other is full of the book, coordinating inks, stamp sets that I want to pull out, and things like this. These are leftover pieces from the Mark Maker devotional kit, a stamp set that's new in the Illustrated Faith shop, and some alpha stamps from Studio Calico. I have a pretty limited amount of supplies for doing this project, and then I've got a folder of print and pray pieces. So I've got Jill's toolbox and the word Fetty, which I'm going to go ahead and use today. So some stamping, alpha stickers, die cut pieces. That's pretty much it. So I'm going to go ahead and read you Shanna's devotional for day 5, which is titled Just Be You, and then I'll kind of explain what I'm doing here. Shanna says, do you ever marvel at how nature just does what it was created to do? A bird selecting bits of your backyard fashions the perfect nest. The tree that holds that nest provides shelter and sustenance. Watching creation carry out God's work in the world is a beautiful thing to behold. And you, dear one, are part of creation, designed to share His love in ways that only you can. Be prayerful about the opportunities life brings. There will be things that obviously fit with your gifts and others that feel exhausting because you're just not cut out for them. That's perfectly okay. The Lord knows what makes you come alive, and when He calls you into something, you'll have a deep sense of its rightness for you. Just keep turning your heart toward Him, and He will lead the way. I underlined that phrase in my journal. You'll see there, just keep turning your heart toward Him, and He will lead the way. And that's going to be the subtitle for my page today. So these are the die-cut paper pieces from the Mark Maker devotional kit, and if you don't have that kit, but maybe have the digital pieces or even want the digital pieces, those are available at illustratedfaith.com/shop, and I'm going to use that to stand in place of the word heart in my subtitle, and so I am going to spell out the phrase, turn your heart. So I'm using Jill's word Fetty that's printed on white sticker paper, and then I'm going to use an assortment of alpha stickers from my stash. Those color theory ones from Studio Calico, and then the smaller ones are from Maggie Holmes. I'll do my best to link what's still available in the video description if you're interested in any of it, but I would just encourage you to look to see what you have already, to see what you can finish up before maybe getting anything new. That was kind of my plan going into this. I wanted to use up some older kit pieces that I still had. I remembered that I wanted to use this really fun grid stamp from the Journal Crush stamp set at Illustrated Faith, and so I'm using a pink color theory dye ink from Studio Calico, and I'm going to stamp that in a few places. What I love about these devotional journals from Shanna is she already has her art in here, so really you could just spend the whole time just writing a response. You don't even necessarily need to do the crafty part. That's fun for sure, but if you maybe just can't make the time for it one day, the cool thing is the page is already beautiful. So this is really the bulk of my page today. I've got a title, a subtitle. I thought about using some washi, but then decided against it, and then the words. So I'm going to read through the Devo one more time before I write my response, but that's pretty much going to do it for this page. I haven't shared much about this particular book on my channel here, so I just wanted to give you a peek in case you're curious, in case you haven't heard about it. It's a wonderful product. If you guys are interested in seeing more process videos, please let me know. I'd be happy to just turn on the camera as I'm creating, but know that they're probably not going to be very involved. The key for me for daily projects is keeping it really simple. And that's it. So here's a finished look at my page along with a couple of close-ups. If you guys have any questions about the 100 Days Journal, I'd be happy to answer them in the comments. And like I said, I'll do my best to link what I used in the video description below. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you soon.